friends, I'm Steph.
And I'm Michelle with Sunnyside Design. Today we are going to take this cotton cord and we're going to show you how to make macrame leaves.
Be sure to watch till the end of the video so you can see what we are going to do with them.
For this project, you're going to need some macrame cord. Mine is a 6mm cord. It's pretty chunky. You'll need some scissors, a ruler for measuring, a thumbtack, which will help, our push pin will help hold your macrame down while you're working on it, and then just an old box that you can secure the thumbtack into.
To make a macrame leaf roughly 8 inches in height, you'll begin by cutting strips of cording as follows. One strip at 16 inches. This strand will be used for the center spine of the leaf. Then you'll need to cut 6 8-inch strands and 6 7-inch strands. These will be for the top portion of the leaf. Then cut 6 6-inch strands and 4 5-inch strands. Those will be for the lower portion. To start, fold the 16-inch strand in half. This will be the center or the spine of the leaf. Then secure the strand at the top of the fold into a piece of cardboard with a push pin. Take an 8-inch strand, fold it in half, and slide it under the spine. Then fold another strand and place it on top of the previous strand in the opposite direction. Then take the ends of the bottom piece and loop it up through the top piece, and the ends of the top piece down through the loop of the bottom piece and pull tightly. This will form your first square knot. When it's tied, be sure to push it up snug against the pin. You'll want to do this with each following knot as well, just to make sure the whole leaf is nice and snug. Then you'll continue with this process and gradually decrease the strand size as you work down the spine. In addition, you'll want to alternate the starting side with each new row of knots. So for example, since the loop of the previous strand was on the right of the spine, for the next row, place the first loop under the spine on the left. This will just create a little bit of movement in the design so all of the knots aren't tied on the same side all the way down the spine. Now that each of the knots have been tied, it's time to create that soft fringe. So first you'll begin by placing the comb next to the spine and pull outward through all the cording. You will need to do this a couple of times to get that nice soft fringe. You may even need to flip the leaf over and comb on the other side just to make sure it's combed through really well on both sides. After both sides of the cording have been combed out, give it a rough trim in the shape of a leaf. Then you can comb the edges out again and trim any remaining pieces that are longer to keep that shape. Finally, you'll need to stiffen the fringe since it will be droopy when you pick it up. Use what you have on hand. We used hairspray, but you could also use fabric stiffener or spray starch. Give it a good spray on both sides and let it dry. Lastly, we attached some small clips to the back side of the leaves with hot glue, but you could also use the loop at the top of the leaf for hanging as well. So we thought these would be adorable on the mantle this year. It gives just a little bit of that boho flair and it's just super cute.
Didn't these leaves turn out so fun? I love them. Where would you use them in your home?
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you don't already. And please share it with your friends. We would love to have you help our channel to grow. And thanks for watching a Sunnyside Design video where we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.